you're seeing this video at Binoy's Travel Scope, it is your call to come to Jagannath Puri. Jai Jagannath.
जय जगन्नाथ।
We are at Puri. Thank you for joining us in Binoy's Travel Scope, Gautam Maharaj ji.
जय
We have a very nice Maharaj with us. He has also helped my friend before, and now he's going to help us with the darshan, and he's also going to tell us all those information that a yatri needs to go before entering Jagannath, the Kshetra Mahina, and what sevas we can offer Lord Jagannath. Please, Gautam ji.
देखिए, जगन्नाथ धाम चारों धाम में से एक अन्यतम धाम होता है। जैसे चारों धाम में भगवान जी एक जगह पे श्रृंगार करते हैं, एक जगह पे स्नान करते हैं, एक जगह पे सोते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे जगन्नाथ जी भोजन करते हैं। ये भोजन धाम है। यहाँ पे अगर कोई भी डिवोटीज आते हैं तो बिना भोजन के जाते नहीं है। यह अन्न क्षेत्र है, यहाँ पे अन्न खाएंगे, किसी के लिए अन्न छोड़ के जाएंगे। ये महात्मा होता है। और जगन्नाथ, ये नाम थोड़ा सा अलग लगता है, लेकिन जगन्नाथ क्यों बोला गया है? ये जगत का हर्ता कर्ता होते हैं, जगत का नाथ होते हैं, इसलिए इनके नाम को जगन्नाथ बोला गया है। ठीक है। और जगन्नाथ धाम में लोग क्यों आते हैं? ठीक है। जगन्नाथ धाम में चारों धाम, अगर बाकी तीन धाम हो जाए और जगन्नाथ धाम पूरा नहीं होता है, तो जगन्नाथ धाम दर्शन नहीं होता है, तो माना जाता है कि इनका जो दर्शन अधूरा ही होता है। जगन्नाथ मंदिर में ये एग्जाम्पल दिया गया है कि भाई बहन के बीचों में कितना प्यार होता है। क्योंकि जब जगन्नाथ जी रथ यात्रा में निकलते हैं, तब वो अपने बहन को और भाई को साथ में लेकर निकलते हैं, ना कि अपने घरवाली को। इसलिए जगन्नाथ और लक्ष्मी का एक झगड़ा होता है, उसको लक्ष्मी नारायण कली या लक्ष्मी नारायण झगड़ा हम लोग बोलते हैं। ठीक है। ये देखने में बहुत रोमांचक होता है और बहुत रोचक होता है ये देखने का। और बाकी ये जो जगन्नाथ जी रथ यात्रा में, हाँ, कोई ऐसा धाम नहीं है जहाँ पे खुद भगवान अपना स्थान छोड़ के आते हैं, लेकिन जगन्नाथ धाम ऐसा एक धाम है जहाँ पे खुद भगवान अपना स्थान छोड़ के भक्तों के लिए आते हैं। किन के लिए? ना, जो डिवोटीज अंदर अलाउ नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ओनली हिंदूज आर अलाउड।
Whenever you eat the Mahaprasad, you must always be thankful to Lord Jagannath that you have got the opportunity to partake the Mahaprasad, which is the only Mahaprasad in the entire world. Because this is not prasad, this becomes Mahaprasad. After the offerings also are touched by Bimla Devi. We have to eat in a kele ka patta, which is a banana leaf. This is how it comes in the pot, the rabdi, and whatever things that you want to eat, say rice, dalma, or any sabji that is there in the Srimandir. Once you eat, you should rinse your mouth once and gulp the water. Mahaprasad should not be wasted, and the leaf should be put below any tree or something. Let us taste the Mahaprasad. Totally divine. I am in front of the Tota Gopinath temple. Tota in Oriya means the garden. The idol over here is very beautiful. There is a very interesting story. This is the only idol of Lord Krishna which is playing the flute in the Padmasan form. The seva of this temple was with Gadadhara Pandita, but due to his old age, he could not serve the long standing idol of the Lord, which was huge in size. To help his devotee, Lord Krishna himself became shorter and started playing the flute in Padmasana form.
We are now at Bauli Mutt. If you see over here, this is a 38 step well which has sweet water, and this is near the sea itself. It is believed that Guru Nanak ji came over here and he sang a beautiful bhajan to hear that Balabhadra, Subhadra, Jagannath ji and his wife Lakshmi ji came over here. You can see a unique parampara or a unique rivaj of Khalsa ji as well as Jagannath ji together. This is what India stands for. We stands for diversity and inclusion. वाहिगुरु जी की खालसा जी की फतेह। जय गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब जी। जय जगन्नाथ। This is the Bhakt Salabega Samadhi. He is known as the ardent devotee of Lord Jagannath. Though born a Muslim, he had requested Lord Jagannath to wait for him till he returns so that he can see the chariot of the Lord, and the Lord obliged. He is here on the Bada Danda, which is also known as the Grand Road towards the temple. And even to this day, when the Rath Yatra happens, the Ratha of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra stop in front of Salabega's Samadhi. This is Mahaprabhuji's Baitak Ji in Puri, just on the Grand Road. You just have to look around. It's just 3 minutes walking from the temple. This is the Gambhira Mutt. You can see the architecture of the temple. It is very old. You can see the Dhwajaji and the Sri Chakra. This temple is the place where Chaitanya Mahaprabhuji spent 18 years. There is also Akhanda Jyoti over here and the holy idol of Radha Kantaji. This is the Mausima temple. She is known as the aunt of Lord Jagannath. Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra stops over here from the temple, and Mausima offers them rice cake. Hello viewers, Binoy's Travel Scope had a very exciting experience with Puri Heritage Walk. We explored the city's corners which we never knew, the hidden temples, and the way in which our tour was operated. I do suggest you take this walk if you want to explore the rich heritage and temples of the city.
Hello friends, this is Tukuna Pradhan. New project is called Heritage Walk and Ride. To contact with me, the number is 8260 5460 and 32.